You fit disagree with me, but I go still talk am. Now, if you know say you go send beat give producer make e remake for you, I go advise make you no write on top of that particular beat. Now, the reason dey very simple. If you see beat on YouTube now, the beat go inspire you to start to write something. Definitely some certain type of thing go begin to drop for your head. The vibe where you go or the styles or stuff like that. Abi, most times sef you fit vibe play that beat like 3 or 4 times and da just to get a particular vibe. But see wetin dey happen when you dey do all those things. Now, two things they inspire you to write those songs. The vibe where they come from. So you see that the percussion, which is the all those things, or the melody. Something go catch your attention definitely, or both of them, we could say. But one thing will go most likely inspire you to begin to create your melodies and write your lyrics on top of them. Now the thing with them play, the keyboard and all those, now it go guide you to the direction where you go, or the kind of melody and things where you go create, Abi. Now, see where the thing they choke. You feel doubt me all you want, but the moment you play that thing couple of times and begin to write something on top of them, you go dey glued to that particular beat. You go dey glued to that melody. You go bond with the melody. Guy you want one, you go must bond because now the only thing where they play for your head. You understand? Now, we won't send them to somebody to recreate. Say the thing where you see originally now, make we say person original idea. I know say when I go come now say nothing the original, so maybe that person self copy, so make you copy. Okay, so but make we no play that card. Make we play the card. Say you see something originally for person YouTube channel, and you won't write on them or you won't create on them, but you no want reach out to that person. You won't use another producer or stuff like that, Abi. So make we take that person on as the original. The person where they recreate them already, they kind of infringe on the original person copyright. But we feel they smart about them. We feel they very intelligent about them. So now why I will say no write first on top of them. You understand? Even me, if I dey see some beats on YouTube and I dey do my own recreation, but in a smart way, which I will also explain. So you now, if you go begin to write, you don't dey attached to that melody, you don't dey attached to the percussion, you don't dey attached to the direction and stuff like that. But if you not begin to write, you just send them. Say, Alpha, I like this kind of Afro pop, or I like this kind of Afro beat, or this piano, or stuff like that. I never write anything on top of them. So I want me just take the percussions. I like the direction where the percussion go and keep them on the tempo. Okay? But play your own melody. All right? No play too much complicated melody. Just some simple chords. We should reverse this in own chord progression and play one or two signature stuff like that, so that I go feel right on top of. That way, the producer where you send the thing to go create at least something unique, different from wetin you see on YouTube. So you get as you go recreate that your own and it can't look exactly like the one where they don't see on YouTube, where they no go know say na here you from take the idea. My point is say it go make sense to just no copy and paste, more no copy and paste, because now wetin a lot of us they do, I no go kuku say una us they do am. You understand? More avoid the idea of copy and paste so that we no go get the same type of beat spread. Yes, it's difficult to also avoid the same type of beat because why not? Every producer now they sell loops, and melody packs and stuff like that. So definitely 5 or 10 of us as a producer can buy one melody pack and use them on different beats actually. You understand? So to some extent, wetin I even talk they complicated, but in some cases we fit still put control to the thing. That's just the angle wey me I dey try talk. She understand? Because in most cases, most of the artists wey dey reach out to me say recreate beats, the thing why they notice with them is if I play this, go another kind of melody, just make I say significant change, it go dey them difficult to come, work on the beats because they don't already dey attach obviously to that particular one where they send me. And I will always say, well, if you don't dey attached to this one, why not just reach out to the producer and buy the beat? PC beat on YouTube. In fact, sometimes I deliberately go play some songs of the 70s, 80s, okay? 90s, or I could just deliberately even play like jazz music, some lo-fi sounds, and sounds maybe say no be Afro beat, Afro pop, or all these songs where they hear R&B regularly. I could just play another genre, even like country. They play country songs. Now, have you hear these sounds, maybe like the lo-fi or stuff like that? Because then every genre of song gets progression where be say if you go, it kind of make sense. You get the kind of progression where my piano go like the chord you go instantly sync for your head. Country, all these things they get their own chord signature sound and identity. You understand? So me now the way what they do be say I feel listen to some lo-fi sound now. I could like them. If even screen record them. But you know wetin keep my attention for that thing? The chord progression. You understand? The way we play the chord progression or something. I no go write anything on top am. I just like the chord progression, so I will save the chord progression. Then later on, I will come reason one percussion to add on top that chord progression. So it's just like a combination of a lo-fi chord progression sound with a mixture of R&B Afro. So that way I no see something on YouTube, carry am there and recreate 99% of them. You get the point. So it's like a different elements come together and then I go kind of create my own unique sound. You understand? Or I fit hear some things we go inside jazz music, but I go carry the progression and put ama piano under. You understand? So that way it's like combination of jazz and ama piano. You understand that kind of things? I feel like if we do them this way, we no go just dey lift YouTube beats, give them to producer to recreate for us, and then like I talk, we don't the artist go don't dey glued because he don't write something and he don't dey on them. You understand? So, but wetin I know, I just say make I explain this thing because all of us they talk say this one no dey unique, this one no dey unique. You suppose dey unique. You suppose it starts from our creation because it's like they influenced by this one, they influenced by this one, they influenced by this one, and you are getting something unique on your own rather than just telling the producer copy this and bah because I don't write on them. You get to the point. But now here we go in this very matter for today. I'll do it for another comment session.